Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Simply sit down or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Let the outside world fade away. Take a slow breath and let's begin this journey together. Take a moment to arrive here, not in the past, not in the future, just here. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air entering your nose and leaving your body. Do not control it, just observe. Breathing in, breathing out. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Inhale gently through your nose, pause softly, exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale calm, exhale tension. Let each breath slow your mind. Let each exhale release the weight you are carrying. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Notice how your body feels right now. If there is tension, simply notice it. If there is calm, simply notice it. Everything is allowed. Now, bring your attention to your face. Relax your forehead, soften your eyes, release your jaw. Let your tongue rest. Now, move your awareness to your shoulders. Allow them to drop slightly. You do not need to carry anything right now. Let your arms feel heavy. Let your hands relax. Now, bring awareness to your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. This movement is life. This movement is presence. Now, bring your awareness to your stomach. Let it soften. Allow your breathing to become natural, slow, easy, calm. Now, bring your attention to your thoughts. You may notice thoughts appearing. That is completely normal. Do not fight them. Do not follow them. Simply observe them. Like clouds passing through the sky, they come and they go. Return gently to your breath, breathing in, breathing out. This is mindfulness, being aware without reacting. Now, imagine yourself sitting beside a calm river. The water flows slowly, peacefully. Each thought is like a leaf on the water. As it appears, place it on a leaf and watch it float away. You do not hold it. You do not chase it. You simply let it go. Your mind begins to feel lighter, more open, more quiet. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath again. Feel the cool air entering, feel the warm air leaving. This breath connects you to the present moment. Gently move your fingers. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel your presence in this moment. Take one deep breath in and slowly exhale. If this meditation brought you peace, please like this video and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage for more journeys of calm and mindfulness. And gently open your eyes. Namaste.